Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E13 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So all you have to do to perform a soft reset is to tap on power button along with volume up button, so just hold them together. Keep holding around 10 maybe 20 seconds till your device is switched off, and then you will feel the vibration. This is the sign to release the buttons. Then within a couple of seconds you will be able to use your device in a normal way. And that's it. As you can see, your phone is starting, so you will be able to use it again shortly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.